In this tutorial, we're going to be solving another exercise about congruent triangles. In the diagram, PQ is equal to PT and QR is equal to TS. Holly says that triangle PRS is an equilateral triangle. Jacob says it is an isosceles triangle. Who is right, and say why. So, we're going to have to go through a series of steps to prove that either PRS is equilateral or isosceles. At first, the first step is to draw a perpendicular from P to QT. The point of intersection is called M. Now, we have two triangles that we're going to work with, PMQ and PMT. To start with these two triangles, we need to prove them congruent. So in the triangles PMQ and PMT, we have the hypotenuse PQ equal to the hypotenuse PT as given. And so in such case, let's write this. As given, PQ is hypotenuse of PMQ, the triangle, and PT is the hypotenuse of PMT triangle as well. And as given, PQ is equal to PT. So this is the first hypotenuse proved. Now, moving on to the right angle. The angle PMQ is equal to the angle PMT is equal to 90 degrees. Now that we have proved the angle, we have also in both triangles the common side PM. Notice PM is common between PMQ and PMT. So PM common side, which gives us the final side. So the two triangles are congruent by RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Now, moving on, let's prove these two angles equal to each other. Since both triangles PMQ and PMT are congruent, then the angles PQM and PTM are equal to each other. Then PQM equal to PTM, and corresponding angles in congruent triangles is why these two are equal. Now, since we have proven these two to be equal to each other, let's also prove the triangles PQR and PTS congruent to each other. Since we have already proven the angles Q and T equal to each other, the two triangles PQR and PST are congruent by SAS. The hypotenuse here is equal to the other one as given, QR is equal to ST as given, and we have proven the angles Q and T equal to each other, which makes these two triangles congruent. Now that we have proved PQR and PST to be congruent, then PR is equal to PS, since these two are corresponding sides in congruent triangles. So we say then PR is equal to PS, corresponding sides in congruent triangles. Now after we have proven that PR is equal to PS, now we can say that Jacob is correct, since he said the triangle PRS is isosceles triangle, and that is because two sides are equal. So Jacob is right.